Yes. Unlimited money, no root, infinite likes on the video. And that's how you use jacking tools. It's me, Game Jacker. And today we're going to talk about one of my favorite game jacking apps, VirtualSpace. Number 12 of the best game jacking apps out there for Android. The app that allows you to jack your games with no root required. As always, all the links are going to be down in the description. Give the video a like while you're there, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments where they belong. Now, VirtualSpace isn't per se a game jacking app, but I checked Google and that's pretty much all that people use it for. The app is a virtual environment container, which means it is basically a small Android device running on your Android device, allowing you to run multiple apps in one single app. Getting around the walled garden of Android, which doesn't allow any non-system apps to influence or modify other apps. Giving any apps installed on VirtualSpace root access to each other, rather admin permissions to each other, or modify permission. Which of course is perfect if you're trying to jack your favorite Android game without a rooted Android device. So in essence, the way you use VirtualSpace is you simply start up the app. You clone any game cheating tools such as GameKiller, gameguardian, hackerbot APK, or whatever you want to use, and you also clone your game onto the VirtualSpace app. You then simply start up both your game and the app from VirtualSpace. Start. I'm going to use gameguardian as an example here. Start up the game. Very nice. And as you can see, if I try to connect gameguardian, the only processes I see are VirtualSpace itself and the game I'm running on VirtualSpace. No other apps or system applications, which proves that I'm running within VirtualSpace, within a virtual environment. So you just simply connect to the game. Start the game. And you can start using the tool as normal. Yes. Oh, it spends the money. Refine. Yes. Unlimited money, no root, infinite likes on the video. And that's how you use VirtualSpace to use your favorite game jacking tools for Android without a rooted Android device. Easy. Easy as protein powder or cake. That's it. That's how to use VirtualSpace to run your favorite game jacking apps without a root. Do keep in mind that all the versions that have been fixed for use in game jacking are trial versions and will need to be uninstalled and reinstalled after 1 day, which is when the free trial expires. Inconvenient. Of course, you can always buy the app from the developers. Also keep in mind that this will only work on offline games, as online games process their money values on the game servers and they will usually not run in a virtual environment. If you're trying to cheat in a game that requires the internet on Android to run correctly, simply Google game hacks or hackerbot. Visit hackerbot.net, go to download cheats, enter the game and the cheat that you're looking for, and get the best downloads out there for online games, modded APKs, bots, game jacks from the best providers out there, always up to date and working. So Google hackerbot or game hacks to do that, or download hackerbot APK, which also works without a root. No VirtualSpace required. As always, links for everything in the description down below. Leave a like for the video, subscribe to the channel to get weekly game jacking content. Leave a comment where it belongs if you have any questions. Game Jacker out.